She's like, nope, I'm going right back inside.
What's her?
That one that you have is Bailey. Yeah.
I want to be here.
Bailey, you doing all right? I think most of the little ones don't want to come out here because they don't want to get their feet wet. What do you got, right guy? Zara. There's one on the door thing, and then there's a pink one right in front of the pool. Come here, Oscar, bring it here. You're supposed to bring it over here. Bring it here. Get it. Riley, don't chew it apart. Ready? You can't have it back if you're gonna eat it. Toss one in the pool, see if anybody will dive in for it. Get it, Oscar. Get it! Jenny's like, how can I do this? Get it, Jenny!
Oscar, it's not gonna help at all.
Usually Oscar will just jump right in there.
Does he like the pool?
Yeah. Kelsey.
Get it, Jenny, get it. Get it, Jenny. Go, go. Jump in there. Oh, it's
There you go. Like, nope, I left it in there. Too funny.